Right, guys, we are here at the shops at Branson Meadows in Branson, and very strangely they have two Otis elevators back here, which don't really seem to serve that much of a purpose. And my goodness, does this thing look disgusting. I don't really see the point of this lower lot. Go to 2. Let's get a look at this thing. It's disgusting. We'll change cars down at 1 because there's no music playing down there. And see, it's just very empty down here. Ooh, that button is very crusty. Ooh, this one looks even worse. Go to 2. We're not moving. Oh boy. Here we go. Let's try it one more time. Nope. Alright, let's get off of it and see if it goes. Maybe the outer door is not closing all the way. I think that was the problem. Yep, the outer door just was not closing all the way. Honestly, does not surprise me. I think if we ride it from upstairs, though, we'll be able to get a ride on it. Here comes this car. Alright, here we are at 2. And we will try to ride the other car, because that one was much worse than this one. So there goes that one. There it is. Go to 1. Alright, and seeing as this car's door does not want to close right, there it goes, and that's it.